We're having a good time. I don't know if you could see the girls behind. And I think we're going to try picking up the pace a little bit. So I'm going to have to turn the camera around. Okay, ready? Come on, Toby.